Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students, and welcome to Social Science class. Geography, chapter number 7, Settlement, Transport and Communication. As we have finished our first topic, settlement, today we are going to start our new topic in the chapter. So before starting the new topic, just have a quick review of this chapter. We finished with the settlements. I'm showing you the slides again for your reminder and a quick review. Types of settlements: rural settlement, urban settlement, and here goes our new topic: transport. As we know how settlements happen, let's try to understand how to communicate between these settlements. Let's try to understand what transport means. Transport is the means by which people and goods move. If you see, in the early days, it took a great deal of time to travel long distances. People had to walk and used animals to carry their goods. For example, people used camels, bullocks, mules, donkeys, llamas, and yaks. One of the greatest inventions that made transport easier was the invention of the wheel. Now today we have aeroplanes that have make travel faster. Modern means of transport helps us save time and energy. So the four major means of transports are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Let's understand about each one of them one by one. The most commonly used means of transport, especially for short distances, are roads. Now roads are of two types: metalled and unmetalled. Roads have always been built in terrains like deserts, forests and even high mountains. We also have a road underground, in subways and on the path, and we have flyovers which are built over raised structures. So this was all about the roadways. Coming to the next transport is railways. The railways are basically for carrying heavy goods and people over long distances quickly and cheaply. The rail transport developed because of the invention of steam engine, and the industrial revolution. Diesel and electric engines have largely replaced the steam engines. Now we have super trains to make the journey faster. For example, we have a Harman train in Saudi Arabia and in other countries as well. So rail network is well developed over plain areas, but also in difficult mountains terrains, but they are very less in number. The third mode of transport is waterways. Waterways are the cheapest for carrying heavy goods and bulky goods for over long distances. So they are mainly of two types: inland waterways and sea routes. The rivers and lakes that can be navigated and used, and inland waterways. Some of the important waterways: the Great Lakes in North America and the River Nile in Africa. Now the sea routes and oceanic routes are mostly used for transporting heavy goods from one country to another. Some of the important ports of the world world are like Singapore, Mumbai in India, New York, Los Angeles, Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Karachi in Pakistan, Durban and Cape Town, uh, Sydney in Australia, and etc. So coming to the last mode of transport is airways. It is the fastest way of transport developed in the early 20th century. Now it is also the most expensive due to high cost of fuels. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railway system is available. For example, the helicopters are used in the time of calamities for rescuing people and distributing food, water, clothes, and medicines. And some of the important airports of the world are like New York, Riyadh, Mumbai, Delhi, Islamabad, Cairo, etc. So coming to the last part of the chapter, that is communication. Communication, it is the process of conveying messages to others. With the development of technology, now we have faster mode of communication. uh, uh, Newspapers, radios and televisions comes under the mass media. Why they come under the mass media? Because it has the potential of conveying large number of people. So satellites have made communication even faster. Satellites help in oil exploration, survey of forests, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast, and disaster warning. Another very great invention is internet. Internet has also played a crucial role. Now we can send electronic mails or emails through internet. You can also have a wireless communication through your cellular phones. Internet not only provides us with worldwide information, it also help us in internationally or interacting on by the way yours. So like for example, right now we are communicating through internet and watching this video, and I am sharing it to you. This is also because of this internet. So this is a fine example of internet, use of internet. And nowadays we are using internet for so many other ways as well, by uh, allowing us to book tickets and hotels and rooms online and so many other things. Nowadays we are depending on this only internet. To the end of the chapter, I hope you gain something, and till the next class, thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.